Yakima Grand Tour Cargo Box. Let's start with a true flagship among cargo boxes, the Yakima Grand Tour. This oversized roof box offers an impressive 16 cubic feet of storage space, allowing you to pack almost anything, from skis up to 185 centimeters long to inflatable boards and multiple suitcases. There is also an 18 cubic foot version that accommodates skis up to 210 centimeters. The box opens from both sides, making access easy no matter how your car is parked. Inside, the flat floor design has no protruding fasteners.
Customizable LED headlights. Car headlights are not just functional, but also an important part of vehicle style. These LED headlights add a bold visual accent while improving visibility. Their cast aluminum waterproof housing ensures excellent heat dissipation and reliable performance in rain, snow, and heavy fog. Advanced LED chips deliver bright, clear light with a wide illumination area for safer driving.
Garage rolling chair. This garage chair becomes an essential companion for anyone who spends long hours working on vehicles. It features a solid square steel frame and a durable plastic body that stays stable without sagging or wobbling. 4 rubber wheels with bearings allow smooth movement across concrete or asphalt surfaces. 2 slide-out trays measuring 14 by 8 inches provide space for tools, rags, and supplies. Any-level lift hydraulic suspension system. Any-level lift is a modern hydraulic solution that allows precise adjustment of vehicle height for different tasks. It can both raise and lower the car to very low positions. Installation replaces the factory springs and coilovers with adjustable arms connected to a hydraulic system. A powerful 24-volt electric motor drives the pump, controlled by a simple switch. Designed for Ford F-350 and F-450 SUVs, Jaw Boss Log Handling System. Jaw Boss is designed for safe and stable handling of logs during cutting or splitting. Ideal for home firewood preparation, it mounts directly into a vehicle hitch to create a solid working base. Acting as a strong clamp, it holds logs firmly in place, reducing strain on your back and arms. The toothed guides and rear support section keep logs level and secure for solo operation. Trailer Maneuvering Cart. This trailer maneuvering device makes parking and handling trailers significantly easier. While it looks like a standard cart, it includes an adjustable hitch with height settings ranging from 15 3/8 inches to 24 3/8 inches. Height adjustment is done by extending the structure and locking it with a pin. The cart rolls on 10-inch swivel wheels with air-filled chambers and reinforced tires for smooth mobility. Dual non-slip handles provide control. Trail FX Universal Rear Bumper. The Trail FX rear bumper offers lightweight construction with superior protection compared to factory bumpers. Suitable for trucks, SUVs, and pickups, it is made from durable milled steel with a textured powder-coated finish to prevent corrosion. The bumper supports winch installation with pulling capacities up to 12,000 pounds and includes cutouts for sensors and auxiliary lighting. It also functions as a step. Installation is straightforward thanks to pre-cut mounting slots. Rough Country provides a hidden winch mounting solution that preserves the vehicle's exterior appearance. Compatible with both hydraulic and electric winches, the system installs inside a reinforced bumper while remaining fully functional. It integrates with SUVs and pickups, attaching to the front body or subframe. Built from heat-treated steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat, it supports winches rated up to 12,000 pounds. An optional 11-gauge steel skid plate protects the underbody, and installation requires no vehicle modification. VLAN OLED Taillights. VLAN taillights combine modern style with high functionality using OLED panels that remain visible in all lighting conditions. Compared to traditional LEDs, OLED technology delivers a softer yet richer glow. These lights replace factory units and offer dynamic lighting effects with multiple customization options. They respond to turn signals and door actions while enhancing road visibility. Putco Pickup Bed Rails. Putco bed rails enhance both the appearance and cargo management of pickup trucks. Made from stainless steel, they are available in finishes such as matte powder coating and chrome. Designed for direct installation into factory mounting points, they require no drilling. Sold in pairs, the 1 3/4 inch diameter rails support loads from 500 to 1,000 pounds, depending on the model. They resist corrosion and mechanical wear and can serve as handholds or cargo tie-down points. Shaped Cargo Smart Ramps. This smart ramp set allows fast and safe loading of wheeled equipment into trucks or trailers. The S-shaped design distributes weight evenly, making it ideal for ATVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and golf carts. The smooth incline simplifies loading and unloading. Hinged joints allow the ramps to fold for compact storage. Rubberized tread surfaces provide strong traction, while metal stoppers and cam buckle straps keep everything secure.
Garmin Speak Plus system. Garmin Speak Plus combines navigation, a dash camera, and the Alexa voice assistant in one compact device. Roughly 1.5 inches long, it features a front-facing camera and a rear OLED display surrounded by LED indicators. 2 side buttons control home functions and microphone muting. Mounted to the windshield with adhesive, it draws power from a micro USB cable connected to the cigarette lighter.
Rear-facing LED light panel. This rigid rear-facing LED panel is designed for off-road vehicles like buggies and Jeeps. It functions as a brake light, reverse light, turn signal, and includes a programmable startup sequence, all operating simultaneously. The 28-inch light bar offers 27 programmable modes, with colors including amber, white, green, blue, and red. A shock-resistant aluminum housing with an IP68 rating protects against dust and moisture. Titan Travel Trekker Fuel System. Titan Travel Trekker is a backup fuel storage solution for SUVs, trucks, and RVs, holding up to 50 gallons of fuel for long-distance travel. Made from durable polymer, it resists sunlight, temperature changes, and corrosion. A built-in pump automatically transfers fuel to the main tank when levels reach a set point. The control button displays fuel level and system status to prevent leaks or evaporation. With QuickPit Vehicle Service System. QuickPit is a ready-to-use solution for vehicle maintenance installed in a pre-built concrete inspection pit. Positioned 4 feet below ground, it provides full access to the underside of vehicles. A movable seat allows the mechanic to glide along the pit length during repairs. Optional expansions include shelving and tools. Available lengths range from 17 to 21 feet with Heat Shield Sun Protection. The Heat Shield is a windshield sun protection accessory designed to reflect ultraviolet and infrared rays. Constructed from multi-layer reflective material, it blocks up to 99% of UV and IR radiation. Installed from inside the windshield, it fits snugly without gaps, reducing interior heat and preventing fading of dashboards, steering wheels, and seats. When not in use, it rolls up easily for compact storage. SuperChips Flash Cal Tool. SuperChips Flash Cal is a diagnostic and calibration device that connects through the OBD2 port. It allows adjustments to tire size, speedometer accuracy, transmission tuning, sensors, and more without visiting a service center. Users can enable or disable automatic engine start. Ford Seamless Rear Window. This advanced rear window system improves cabin ventilation in pickup trucks with a smooth, seam-free design. Unlike traditional sliding windows, it maintains a clean appearance while reducing fasteners and simplifying installation. The sliding panel allows quick airflow without lowering side windows, reducing noise and improving comfort. It also enables transport of long items into the cabin. An electric control system allows switch placement on the dashboard or ceiling. ARB Altitude Rooftop Tent is a high-comfort rooftop or trailer-mounted tent that resembles a cargo box when closed. A locking mechanism secures it, and deployment takes about 1 minute using electric actuators, with manual setup also available. Electric scissor lifts require minimal maintenance. The Griot's Garage Sprayer. This innovative sprayer speeds up car washing by generating foam and evenly applying cleaning solutions. Powered by a 2600 mAh battery, it delivers up to 60 minutes of operation. 2 interchangeable nozzles handle foaming and spraying tasks. The detachable 56-ounce tank is easy to fill and clean. Designed for tight spaces or limited water access, it features a comfortable rubberized handle and smooth trigger for easy use. AM Research Bed Step helps access the roof or cargo area of tall SUVs and pickups while protecting the bumper. Made from high-strength anodized aluminum alloy with a PTFE coating, it resists corrosion and wear. Stainless steel hinges and bushings ensure smooth extension. The ribbed platform is constructed from glass-reinforced resin for slip resistance in wet or cold conditions. Rated for 300 pounds, it installs easily using bolt connections. AccuAir Suspension Kit. AccuAir is a professional-grade air suspension system that enhances comfort, appearance, and off-road performance. Ride height, damping, stability, and balance are all adjustable. Managed by an advanced electronic control unit, it supports manual and automatic modes.